Hello everyone, this is Dheeraj and you're watching KDB Versatile. In this video, we will share you the night mode footage of Honor V20. But before starting the video, let's talk about the camera specification. The primary camera comes with 48 megapixels with 1.8 aperture, and the front-facing camera is 25 megapixels. This is all about the camera specification. And then enjoy the night mode footage of Honor V20. This is all about the camera testing. Hope you enjoy this video. If you are interested to buy this phone, link in the description. You can pre-order this phone, and this is the best phone for camera purpose. If you are buying the camera purpose phone, then you should have to buy this phone. This is a cool phone in my opinion. And hope you enjoy this video, and I will meet you in the next video.